Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I just want to open your eyes to an easy trendline strategy that you can use to make money on the market. It happens on all time frames, lower and higher time frames. So guys, as you can see, this is where the market opened from today, and I've already made money from this market as it is. For beginner traders, I know this looks like, okay, how do you make, which opportunity are you going to get out of this? How would you have made money from this? Now let me just open your eyes to an easy trendline strategy that you use sometimes. I add it to other confluences before going in for a trade, but you can, let me just show you how you can make money from this setup as it is right now. So I'm just going to activate my trend line here. So guys, as you can see here, we had our first touch here, had our second touch here, and then we got a breakout of the trend line. We got a retest of the trend line, and then we got a push to the upside. Let me just clean this up. Now can you see how easy it is to make money from the market? You're just going to activate your trend line here. So what I did was that when I first saw these first two touches here, I just pulled my trend line all the way to the downside like this, and then I was waiting for the market to break out, and then clearly it broke out on my trend line, came back to retest the trend line, and then boom, to the upside. Now I'd already made money even before this setup played out because of other skills that I have to make money from the market. But you can see that this setup would have easily given you a 1 to 3, which is showing you that it is a good setup to take, right? And see here, the way I like to enter on my sniper entries, I like to enter at multiple week rejection. So we had our first week rejection here, and this is the second one. So this is how I would have entered, and then take profit at a key level here, right? So guys, as you can see, this is a 1 to 3.75 risk to reward ratio. So this is an amazing setup, right? Very juicy setup that offers you ×3 risk to reward. So this is something I teach my mentorship students. However, I'm in a happy mood today. I've made profit by this time, and I'm just willing to share out some valuable information that would help you, right? So this is a trendline strategy that plays out. It plays out in all time frames. So you can see here we have a break in structure, break out of the trend line, a pullback to retest that trend line, and as you can also see, we have a key level here, right? 1.21200. So we have a key level there also. So there are lots of other multiple confluences that you have to use to decide before you go in on this trade. But this trend line strategy works on all time frames. Now let's go to a higher time frame and look for a different example. Now this is on the 1 hour time frame, right? So guys, as you can also see on the 1 hour time frame, right, we had a trend line touch here, another one here, another one here, and then we got a breakout from here to the upside, right? Now for break and retest of trend line, you always have to wait for the pullback into the trend line to retest the trend line, and then you catch the move all the way to the top. So this is a very sumptuous buy setup here. happening on the higher time frame. Let me just take this all out so you can have better view. So guys, you can see that this is a very nice strategy that you can use on all time frames, right? You can use it on all time frames. Now let's check the risk to reward. For my entries, I like to enter at weak rejections, right? So would have preferred to enter from here. Let me just put this down here. Good. Now this is a very good place to take profit on this trade. So guys, you can see this very nice setup. This setup offers you a 1 to 4.52 risk to reward. This is also a trend line break and retest, right? Trend line break and retest. Let me just flip this over so we can get a good view. Now look at it, looking very clean here. So we had our first touch here, had our second touch, had our third touch, and then fourth touch gave us a breakout. We had a pullback into the trend line, and then boom, a push to the upside. So this is a very easy strategy that you can use. All you have to do is just to activate your trend line, and then you want to wait for a break out of structure from that trend line, right? So as you can see, these are two examples. You can backtest on your lower time frame. You can go back and try to backtest, see possible places where you can identify a trend line break and retest. Okay, but I can give you lots of other examples, but that is left for you to do. You go into your trading view and try to backtest. So now this is one way of which you would have made profit from this market, right? So this is one way. All right, let me just take this off as well. So guys, thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe so the YouTube algorithm can share this video to other traders. If you're interested in my mentorship, just send me a message and then I'll reply you immediately and put you on our mentorship. It's a paid mentorship. We can help you get funded. You want to become a funded trader? When you're done learning with us, we can help you get funded in the sense that we'll prepare you for prop firm challenges. Now, prop firms are companies that fund talented traders, right? So if you do not have capital, prop firms can fund you. However, they have very strict rules, right? They have rules and regulations. So we can prepare you for those challenges and help you secure prop firm accounts for you to become a funded trader. So if you want to join our mentorship, just send me a message. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.